Got a frog in my throat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope that you are all doing amazingly well today. In today's video, my dog is gonna walk through the cable and almost knock the cell phone on her head. Okay. But yeah, in today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial using the new Urban Decay Naked Heat. She's still walking. Yes, so we're going to be using the new Urban Decay Naked Petite palette, and I used pretty much every single color in this eyeshadow palette for today's look, and then I paired it with the blue liner from the new Morphe line of gel eyeliners. Did I say that right? Anyway, Morphe released a whole bunch of new colors, red, blues, purples in gel eyeliner, and they sent them to me in PR, and I've been wanting to try them for the last couple of days. So I figured, like, you know, to do like a simple eyeshadow look, but do some kind of color eyeliner, and I ended up using this guy today so you guys can see how it applies and how it goes. I actually really liked the gel liner. But yeah, and then I ended up using a lot of my products that are in my boxy charm this month. So if you guys got your boxy charm and you want to see how I got this look, and you also want to see how I got this look using this palette, then just keep on watching. Also, before we get this video started, I do want to let you guys know that this is going to be a voice-over video like most of my videos, because I film both for Instagram and YouTube, and I find it really hard to talk through and do Instagram videos at the same time. So I kind of do a voiceover for the tutorial part just because it's easier when I edit. But if you guys have any ideas of how I can go around that, definitely let me know down below. And yeah, let me stop talking and let's get this video started. So to start off this look, I am going to start with the second color from the palette, and I'm just grabbing a Sigma E38 and I'm applying that all over the lid, transition area, crease, all of that, because I really want this look to just be diffused and not too pigmented. So yeah, just blend it until you're happy with it. And next I'm going to come in with this color, and I'm still using the same brush, and I'm just blending right under that and a little bit over it. Again, I'm just diffusing the colors because I want them to really just fuse together and look blended. And then I'm just going to use this next color from the palette, and again, still using the same brush. I'm just going a little bit lower with each color. So now I'm just going to use that other fourth color, which is a little bit more warm, and I'm doing basically the same thing. Now I'm going to go in with a flat brush and the lightest color from the palette and applying that onto the lid. And then with the dark brown color, I'm just going to take this little flat brush and applying it on the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take the orangey color from the palette again, and I'm just grabbing a pencil brush and I'm diffusing that all over. Next, I'm going to grab the Morphe Brushes New Gel Liner in blue, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know the number of the brush, but it's one of my favorite brushes to do gel eyeliner with, and I really like the way that this gel eyeliner performed. As you guys can see, it's super pigmented, and I really didn't have any trouble with it at all. Next, I'm going to be using the Cover FX glitter drops, and I'm applying that to the inner corner, and I'm just going to grab another pencil brush and diffusing the glitter drops all over the inner corner and also a little bit on the lower lash line. For lashes, I'm using these lashes from a company called Black Magic Lashes, and these I believe are in the style Lady Killer. Next, I'm going to grab this black kohl pencil. It came in my boxy charm, and I'm just going to align the inner of my upper lashes with it. And with this brush, I'm just going to set my foundation. Next, I'm applying the Mark Beauty bronzer, and I'm just using the same brush that I used before, and I'm basically using the bronzer as contour. Next, I'm applying the Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. And for highlighter, I'm using this highlight palette from Naked Cosmetics that also came in my Boxy Charm box. And as you can see, it's beautiful. Super pigmented. And I'm applying that to the bridge of my nose as well. And for blush, I'm going to use this blush here from Makeup Forever. And I'm going to use the Cover FX glitter drops again, and I'm going to apply it this time to my lips. And then I'm just going to blend that in with my fingers, and that's it. That is the finished look. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope that you really like this look, and if you do recreate it, tag me on Instagram at GlitterBeauties. I would love to see it. Don't forget to subscribe so that you guys see more eyeshadow looks, more makeup looks from us, more funny videos with me and Lexi and things like that. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow us all over social media. It is at GlitterBeauties pretty much everywhere, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.